Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to write better product titles. Good product titles help customer understand your product quickly and also improve SEO. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick. Here we can ask write better product titles. Click on enter. Now it is processing. So here it is saying that aim for 60 characters. So it gives the best steps. So we have go to the product, then click on any product. Here I click t-shirt. So first clearly say what the product is using in simple words, then add one important detail in color, material or who it is for. After that keep it short and easy to read. Also use normal words that customers search for and don't add too many keywords. So you can follow the simple formula like what it is, who it is for and one detail. So here we can change the title as woman's cotton t-shirt. So that's all you need to create a good product title. So this is how you can easily write better product titles for your store. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.